The try again later error on Mint Mobile usually means there's a temporary issue accessing the voicemail server. This is often due to network congestion, a weak signal, or incorrect voicemail setup. First, ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Then, try these quick fixes. Dial 86 to directly access your voicemail and see if it connects. If that fails, use the Mint Mobile app. Check for a reset voicemail option within the account settings. This clears cached data and resyncs your voicemail with the server. Android users, ensure the phone app has all necessary permissions, including microphone and contacts. iOS users, verify you have the latest carrier settings by going to Settings, General, About, Carrier. Remember, this error is rarely a hardware issue, but rather a software or network hiccup. If basic fixes don't resolve the voicemail error, try these advanced troubleshooting steps. First, perform a network reset by dialing *228. This can fix connectivity issues affecting voicemail. Check your access point name settings. Navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced, then APN. Ensure it's set to Mint Mobile. On Android, conflicts with third-party dialer apps can cause issues. Uninstall them and re-enable visual voicemail in your phone settings. To prevent future problems, regularly update your Mint Mobile app and device firmware. Be mindful of network congestion during peak hours or areas with weak signal coverage. If the problem continues, reach out to Mint Mobile customer support through their app or by calling their customer service line for personalized help.